Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen in the Motorola phones. So at the start, unlock your phone and slide down the top menu. Slide it out again and look for the screen recorder in these icons. If you don't have, like in my case, just click on this pen icon, slide down, look for the screen record and just hold and drag it to the up. Okay, so now we can go back. You can see that we have a screen record in the top menu now. So tap on it, click start, and you can see the recording is starting automatically. And now we have a few options to set up. So we can stop it by this button and resume. We can also add a front camera here. Now by this little speaker icon you can choose the sounds and source of your sound. You can also draw something on your screen by this little pen. You can also choose the color of it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment. And goodbye.